Ferndale, which is home to all of these lovely prehistoric ferns on either side of the duck today. And now you guys are actually in luck, as my favorite fern is coming up here on the left. It's in this little clearing, and it is the invisible fern. Wow. But you guys may have actually felt a slight temperature dip down here, and that's actually going to be for two reasons today. Number one, these trees above us, which do a pretty good job of blocking out sunlight. And then the second reason, these large sandstone cliffs on either side. Now they do a great job of locking in moisture, acting as a natural air conditioner, and making it anywhere between 5 to 10 degrees cooler down here in Ferndale. And are you ready to come to a complete stop to check for traffic? Now normally that would be kind of a funny joke because there wouldn't be anybody down here, but that dude was down here kayaking, so it's a good thing we actually stopped. But just like that, we are a boat up the beautiful Wisconsin River, and I have actually just disengaged our wheels, so if you do look down into the water on either side, you're going to see those wheels sinking to the bottom. So hopefully we're not going to need them later today. First rock formation on the tour today. So if you take a look at the shoreline to the left here and follow it up to this big mushroom-shaped rock, that is our first rock formation, Pulpit Rock. And so the story goes back in the 1700s. There was a famous preacher who held his sermons atop Pulpit Rock there to the Native Americans down below in their birch bark canoes. Now this preacher was very famous as he was quite talented on his baby grand piano. I know that preacher was up there one night holding a lovely sermon, jamming on his baby grand, when a huge thunderstorm rolled in, sending a bolt of lightning straight down into the middle of Pulpit Rock, splitting the rock in two. Now when that bolt of lightning hit, it sent his baby grand's piano off the right side of Pulpit Rock, where it still lies today, with its legs propped up against the rock and its keys facing the heavens. how many of you guys believed that story. One baby in the back? I'll take it. Oh, and then this works out nicely. Pretty much a month ago, the water was super high, and the water was up to like pretty much the green paint on the duct there on the lower part. Doesn't really have anything to do with the tour right now. Just kind of crazy to see how high the water like was a month ago. I don't know, kind of interesting. Maybe, maybe not.